Hello guys, today I'm going to be cooking fried rice. This is all what I'm going to be using to cook this fried rice. Over here I have my rice 1 kilo, my gizzard 1 kilo, oil, the green beans 1 kilo, my carrots 1 kilo, and the turkey meat. I have 2 onions there, 4 maggi, 1 red pepper, 2 bay leaf, salt, this is the thyme, nutmeg, black pepper, curry powder, and onions powder. Let us start. Hello guys, I am back. Right now I'm going to boil the meat first. I've washed it, it's clean. So I will on my gas. I'm going to add the black pepper, a little inside, my nutmeg, thyme, dry onions, the curry powder. I will be adding the salt later, and the 2 maggi cube. I'm going to load the gas. I'm going to turn it. I'm going to add the other maggi cube inside. I'm going to turn it. As you can see, I have the half onions here because I've blended 1.5 of the onions. I like to blend my onions inside. So right now I'm going to add water. I'm going to add the onions that I blend inside. This is the onions that I blend, so I'm going to add it. So I've poured the water inside. This is how it looks. I want it to boil. So I will cover the pot now to boil. I'm going to slice the gizzard, the carrots. So I'm going to slice it out of camera. I'll be right back. So guys, I am back. This is how the turkey looks. So I'm going to put it aside. I'm going to put another pot in the fire to boil the gizzard. I just finished cutting the gizzard. Look at the way the gizzard look like. So I'm going to put another pot in the fire to cook the gizzard. I'm going to put this aside. Place my pot. So I'm going to pour the gizzard inside the pot. I'm still going to cook it. Going to add 1 maggi inside. Going to put curry powder, little thyme, dry onions. I love the flavor of this black pepper. It looks nice. It's good. So I'm going to turn it. I will leave it to cook. I want to bring out my meat inside the pot and filter the water because I'm going to use it to cook the rice. I'm going to add a little water to cook. I will be right back. Hello guys, I am back. Check the gizzard. This is the way it looks like. So I'm going to set it aside to put the water to parboil the rice. So I'll put another pot in the other side to start frying the meat. To boil the rice. I've covered it and let the water boil. I'll be right back. Hello guys, I am back. So I'm going to pour the rice inside. I'm still going to on the other gas to fry the meat. To fry the meat, I'll be right back. Hello guys, I've placed another pot in the fire for frying of the gizzard and the turkey. The rice is in the fire, boiling. Let me check. I'm going to leave it a little bit before I wash it and cook it again. I'll be right back guys. Hello guys, I am back to check the rice. So I'm going to put it aside again. To wash it, I'm going to place another pot in the fire to cook the rice. So I'm going to wash it. I'll be right back. Hello guys, I've placed another pot in the fire. This is the meat water. The rice I put in the fire. So I'm going to add a little of water inside too. I'll cover it. Well, it's gonna add my rice inside. This is my oil to fry the meat. To fry the meat. I'll be right back. I'm back. Check it. Wow, it's boiling. So right now I want to add the rice. Before I add the rice, I want to add the oil inside to make the rice shine and dry. It's good to add oil in your rice if you are cooking it. So right now I want to add the rice inside. I'm going to turn it. I've not added the other one maggi, but I want to fry it. I will not add it. I want to add a little of curry powder inside. Little of the curry powder, I want to add it inside to give it a little color. I'm not going to add any other thing. I'll just leave it to cook. Let me shake my meat. So I'm going to cover it. So guys, I want to check the meat in the fire. Wow, look at the way they meat. I'll be right back. Hello guys, I am back. Let us check the rice first. I changed the pot to the other gas. So this is how the rice looks like. You can see it looks, the rice is shining. So the rice is ready. Check the meat. After the meat, I will fry the gizzard. Add the gizzard that was fried the carrots and the green beans. I'll be right back. I'm back, guys. I want to remove it from the fire so I can fry the gizzard. Right now I'm going to pour the gizzard inside. Later I'm going to change the pot to a bigger pot because I have a lot of carrots and green beans to fry. This is what the turkey look like. Beautiful. I'll be right back. I am back. This is the way I like my gizzard to look like. I don't want it to look so dry. So I'm going to take it off and change the pot to put a bigger pot because I have lots of carrots and green beans to fry. I'll be right back. Hello guys, I am back. This is how the green beans look like when it's done like this. So I'm going to take it off. I'll put the other one. I'm going to put the other one, fry it. I'll be right back. Hello guys, I am back. This is the other one. I'm going to bring it out. So I'm going to filter the oil. I'll be right back. Hello guys, I am back. I've placed another pot in the fire. So I'm going to add the old oil that I've used before. And a little of it. You see what I'm saying? Look at the way the rice is shining. So I'm going to add the rice inside the pot. You can see the green beans and the carrots all together. I'm going to add it. So I'm going to add all the rice inside. I'm going to add everything inside. I'm going to put the menu one maggi inside. When I finish doing this, I will show you guys how it look like. This is how the fried rice look like. Very easy to make. It looks so nice and delicious. You can do yours at home. It looks so lovely. I'm going to test it and tell you guys how it look like. How the taste look like. It looks so nice, so sweet. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notifications when I put a new video. You'll be the first to see it, and share with your friends. Bye bye.